Do you like your grandpa?
You put your shirt on right now. Where's your shirt? You put your shirt on right now. You silly boy. Woo woo, that's a sassy butt. Oh, me? You got something on your head.
Hat.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want the hat? Thank you. Can I wear it?
You're funny.
Good grandpa. He's got his hat.
He's got his hat on his head. Hey, you want to put your clothes on now? Excuse me. You want to put this shirt on?
Hey, you want to wear the hat? That was Dingersley, yeah. That was a Dingersley, yeah.
Boo. Hey, give me your shirt. You want to put it on?
You put your shirt on. It's cold.
What are you doing? Play with your nipple. Is that your nipple?